Welcome to President's Day at Bowling Green State University. Now, President's Day at Bowling Green State University is celebrating the real presidents of the United States, not the president of Bowling Green, of course, but this is the day we welcome over 1,700 prospective students and their families to our great university, and it is an amazing, beautiful day today. Welcome to this month's Rogers Report.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about President's Day because you get to welcome all these prospective students to BG's campus. They're so excited, and I think the families are honestly more excited too, but as a student tour coordinator, we get to see all those friendly faces and then send our tour guides with them to show them what BG has to offer.
So you felt community, you've belonged here.
Yes.
You have stood out
I've stood
as
out.
a tour guide.
Of course.
And what are you going to do next?
I'm gonna go far.
And
Morning, I'm John.
John, and who's this guy right here? Luke? Luke, are you thinking about Bowling Green? Or is it your brother? It's him, okay. How did I do?
You did wonderful.
Thanks, Abraham.
Of course.
I love BG. I want to share it with everyone who comes by. I want them to know that this is my home now in college, and I really want them to feel like it can be their home too.
So tell me why you're choosing BGSU.
I heard it's a really good teaching school, and that's what I'm going into.
I really like the campus. I like how everything's all close together.
It feels very welcoming, and it's homey, and it's not too far away from home.
I mean, out here is such a different world, but it's also like really close to home.
You've been looking at a lot of different schools, right?
Yes, sir.
And was there anything that kind of stood out for you for Bowling Green?
Loved being close to family. All my extended family and my cousins are up here. And when I came up here, I was just honestly blown away by the coaching staff that you guys brought in, and that really sold me this summer.
Jack?
Yes, sir.
It's great to have you at Bowling
Thank you.
Green. Welcome.
I'm really excited.
Everybody looks good in orange, too.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. So the reception for the Thompson Family Scholars Program is really important, and we are so appreciative, certainly, of the Thompsons and their foundation of providing thousands of students a chance to graduate from college and go out and make a difference in the world. Why Bowling Green? What was it about BGSU that you decided to make this your home for the next 4 years?
Honestly, it was my connection with the few people that I have met so far, and how easy it is to talk to everybody. I kind of feel at home here.
Well, we talk about making sure that we have a community where all can belong. A community is really important, so I'm happy that you felt that. How happy are you?
Oh, I'm very happy. So she gets to be away from home, out of state, but still close to home. And I feel comfortable and secure in leaving her here. So I'm proud to be a mama bird.
Yeah. Well, and we will take care of her, okay? That's the commitment that we make, okay? Great.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bowling Green does have a great connection to a U.S. president, and that is Rutherford B. Hayes, the 19th president of the United States. And behind me is Hayes Hall, the home of the Department of Computer Science, one of the oldest computer science departments in the United States. And it's also the home for our Division of Diversity and Belonging, a place that we are creating a great community to support each of our students. See you next month on the Rogers Report.